G'day, we're continuing our work through Jim Coroneos' list of 100 integrals, and this particular one is integral number 24. We've moved away from dealing with radicals and the like, and we're starting to deal with powers of trig functions, and that can open up an interesting world for us, but this one unlocks quite easily. Why? Because there are two interesting connections that we can, or two interesting concepts we can link together with secants, and that is that secant squared is linked with tangent squared through a trigonometric identity. But also the derivative of tangent is the secant squared, so it's also linked through derivatives. So the key to unlocking this particular integral is to use tangents. And the way we do it is this. We break the secant to the fourth power up into sec squared 3x, multiplied by another sec squared 3x times dx. So far we've just separated into two bits, and one bit we're going to convert using the identity, and the other bit we're going to convert using the integral, or the derivative rather. Now the first one, I'm going to convert this into 1 plus tan squared 3x. This one I'm just going to leave for the moment because it's going to become quite apparent through our substitution what's going to happen to it. And here's our substitution. We're going to substitute let u equal tan of 3x. We're going to utilise the fact that the derivative of tangent is sec squared. The derivative, du dx, derivative of tangent is sec squared of 3x, multiplied by the derivative of the function inside. And the derivative of 3x is 3. I'll leave it at the back there. When I bring the dx up and put the 3 out the front, I get du is 3 sec squared 3x dx. Now when I compare that with this, I can see that this is identical. And my lazy way of dealing with it is if I want a 3 sitting in here, I put 1/3 out the front. And now that matches that exactly. So have you noticed? We converted this to tangents using the identity, and we're going to convert this using the tangent as a derivative. So this is 1/3 times the integral. Using our substitution now, 1 plus tan 3x is u, so tan squared 3x will be u squared. And all of this I can replace with du. And that is a vastly simplified integral. What I get, of course, is 1/3 times, I'll use brackets rather than parentheses, u plus u cubed on 3 plus c, which of course would be u on 3 plus u cubed on 9 plus c, and to tidy it up I would just substitute back. Now u is worth tan of 3x, so it's tan of 3x all over 3 plus tan of 3x cubed, now I'll just write tan cubed 3x, over 9 plus c. And that's all there is to it. It unlocked quite nicely with those two lovely little keys. And quite a sweet little integral, that one. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you learned something, and as always, I thank you for watching.